Alright, so today we are starting a new lesson. Today's lesson is called Volume of Cylinders. Volume of Cylinders. So, volume actually means the area inside a 3D shape. So, a cylinder, if you don't know what a cylinder is like a can. So think about a can, so a cylinder. If I was talking about the volume inside of this can means, well, how much can I fit inside, right? That's what it means. So this is what we're going to do today. For the following lessons, you are going to need your formula chart. This is very important because like that, you never have to memorize any of your formulas. You never have to memorize any of your formulas. So in order to find your formula chart, you will have to go under online learning. So under online learning, you will find, it's called reference materials. So it will say reference materials. And then under reference materials, you will see the formula chart. Make sure you download it on your computer, on your phone, take a screenshot, whatever you have to do, excuse me, to have this formula chart. All right, so let's go ahead and move on. So again, like I said, for your vocabulary, volume is the space inside a 3D figure, So, the formula, if you look at your formula chart for a volume of a cylinder, it is V equals big B times H. Big B times H. Alright, it is very important that you look at this big B. Big B means the area of the base. Well, if you're looking at a cylinder, what shape is your base? Well, your shape is a circle. So if you're looking at a cylinder, the base is a circle. So what that means is that you have to find the area of the circle and then multiply it by the height. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and move on so I can show you how to do that. So on this first problem right here, we have this cylinder. We're going to write down the formula. You will always write down your formula first. For all of your work, I want to see, for all of your assignments, I want to see all of your work, not just the answers. So, big B times H. So again, big B means area of the base. So when you see a capital letter, what that means is that you have to replace it with another formula. So big B, if it's talking about the area of the base, it's talking about the area of the circle. So if you look at your formula chart, for the area of a circle, it will be pi r squared. All right, and I'm just going to keep bringing this down. Pi, 3.14, r means radius, so radius is from the half to the edge of the circle, so it's just half. So right here for this cylinder, the radius is 2, so we're going to write 2 squared times, and what is the height of the cylinder? 2.5. And then all you have to do is put all of this on the calculator. So let me go ahead and move it so you can see it. So we're going to put 3.14 times 2 squared times 2.5. Enter. So the volume of this cylinder is 31.4. 31.4. Alright, so let's go ahead and try the next one. Let me go ahead and erase this right here. So again, your first step is to always write down the formula first. So the formula for the volume of a cylinder is big B times H. Again, big B times h. Let me see if there's a faster way to clear this. Alright, let's go ahead and just erase. So, again, you will write down your formula, big B times h. Again, big B means the area of the base, the area of the circle at the bottom. So the shape of my base is a circle, so I'm finding the area of a circle. So again, to find the area of the circle, you do pi r squared times the height. Alright, so pi is 3.14 times the radius. Again, the radius means half. Now, what is different with this one? This one is a diameter. So a diameter means everything. So you have to cut it in half to find the radius. So again, let me show you right here. The diameter is everything, and the radius is half of it. So we need the radius for the formula. So half of 4 is 2. So 2 squared times the height. And then all you have to do is multiply all of this on your calculator. Let me pull up my calculator right now. Alright, so 3.14 times 2 squared times 7 is 87.92. So that is the formula, that is the volume for this cylinder right here. Alright, so let's go ahead and practice the next one. Now, what is different with this one? This one right here is just a word problem. And yes, you will get just word problems. So, the main thing is to figure out what shape are they talking about. So you see right here, okay, well it says cylinder or similar to cylinder. So we're going to draw a picture. Then it says, okay, silo that stores grain and has a diameter. Now again, what is diameter? Diameter means everything. So diameter of 16. And it's 40 feet tall. So the height is 40. Alright, so we're going to write down our formula. It does say to find the volume. So big B times H. Again, big B means the area of the base. My base is a circle. To find the area of the circle, I do pi r squared. Bring down the H. Again, if you see a capital letter, that means you will have to replace it with something else or do an extra step. Alright, so 3.14. Now, what is the radius? Again, the radius is only half of it, right? The radius is only half. So what is half of 16? It is 8. So 8 squared times my height is 40. And again, I put it on my calculator, 3.14 times 8 squared times 40. Oops, 4, not working, 40. All right, so my volume is 8038.4 or 8038.4. Again, for your assignments, I want to see all of your work, exactly what I'm doing right now. I want to see all of your work for your assignments. If I don't see all of your work, you will not get credit. Alright, we're going to go into the next example. Again, you are welcome to pause the video at any time so you can try it yourself. here we have another word problem. So a can of chili. So can is what tells us that it's a cylinder, right? So a can of chili has a radius means half, of 5.25 and a height of 13. So a height of 13. Why I drew it small, I have no idea. Alright, now it says to find the volume. So same step, V equals big B times H. Big B means the area of the base. To find the area of my circle, I do pi r squared, bring down the h. So now you find all the numbers. So 3.14 for pi. My radius, they already told me, is half of it. Radius is 5.25 squared times 13. And then you put it on the calculator. Alright, so I have 3.14 times 5.25 squared times 13. And so my volume is 1,125. And I'm just going to put 0.1 just to round. Alright, let's look at our answer. That is correct. Alright, next question. You are definitely welcome to try it yourself. Please pause the video so you can go ahead and try it. Alright, so let's go ahead and continue here. I'm going to have to erase all of this, so please be patient. Alright, so question number 2 is also a word problem. As you can see, again, please figure out what shape that they're talking about. This is cylinder is not the only shape that you're going to have for this unit. You're going to have different shapes, so you have to read what shape are they talking about. Alright, so we do see the word cylindrical. Carton of oatmeal has a diameter of 13 centimeters and is 24 centimeters tall. Find the volume. So again, they say the word cylinder. I'm going to draw a cylinder. Has a diameter of 13. Remember, diameter is everything, so 13. And it is 24 centimeters tall. So find the volume again. So big B times H. Again, none of these formulas you have to memorize. You can look at your formula chart and look under volume for cylinder. Big B is area of the base. My base is a circle. So the area of the circle is pi r squared times the h. Pi is 3.14. My radius, again, radius just means half. So half of 13, if you don't know what half of 13, please use your calculator. Half of 13 is 6.5, so 6.5 squared times the height, 24. And then you go ahead and put everything on the calculator once you have plugged in your numbers. 6.5 squared times 14. Alright, so the volume of this is 3,183.96. And of course they rounded. Alright, on this last one, it's just asking you which one has a greater volume. So all you have to do is find the volume of both of them. You are definitely welcome to pause the video and try it yourself. Just find the volume of cylinder A, then find the volume of cylinder B, and then figure out which one is the greater one. Now, I do want to say, if you have any questions on what we just did or how to find the volume of a cylinder, please message me. Have a great day.